Hey, what are you eating, huh? Can you tell everyone what you're eating? Let's see, what color is it? Oh, it's orange. It's orange. I say you're eating carrots. Are you eating carrots? Huh? Carrots or fingers? Are you eating carrots or fingers? Still hungry? Nice. You're filthy. You're filthy. Where are the grandparents to come and give you a bath? Yeah. 'Cause Mommy's not touching you. No. Say hi, everyone. Look at me sitting in my high chair, eating my vegetables. Can you give Grandma and Grandpa, Mimi, and everyone else a smile? Huh? Yeah?